We are coming into our anchorage. This is Hilton Head Island right there. It's kind of a slow day today. We still make good time. We're hoping to get the anchors down before this lets loose on us. We are headed to the Cowan Creek anchorage. Alright, we're going to go raise that anchor. Motor's been started. Chart plotter's on. Heidi's at the helm. Maybe a little forward.
Forward bump.
Some more forward.
Forward bump.
Give me a little forward.
Forward bump.
Anchor up.
Anchor it up. Yay!
All right, that is a process. And away we go. This is like Cowan Creek 3, and this was the entrance to Distant Shore or something like that. So you just got to go past all these docks. You can anchor there and it's dead freaking calm. All of this coming in here last night, it was rolling. We were bouncing all over the place. Yeah, you're just doing this all night long. It would be miserable. We choose not to do that anymore.
We come from an island, motivated island, They call that island,
Paris Island, South Carolina. We make Marines is what the water tower says. I did not go to Paris Island. I'm a Hollywood Marine. Memories. All to become a Marine. Something that'll last you your entire life.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are, where we come from.
Another bridge. We're in Beaufort, South Carolina. It's a beautiful morning so far. We had a great short little visit to Beaufort. Beaufort, not Beaufort. Yeah, we got here, tied off to the dock, grabbed our stuff, packed away our stuff, so we got an Uber, went to the grocery store, grocery shopped, got back to the boat, humped all our stuff in the boat, put it away, untied the lines, and made the bridge opening at 3 o'clock.
With 15 minutes, we have 15.
Yeah, we had a 15-minute window, and so it was just perfect timing. It was just in, do our thing, get out, made the bridge opening. If we hadn't made the 3 o'clock, we would have been stuck here till 6, which meant we would have had to get in a slip or something, or a mooring ball to stay for the night. Good timing, Heidi.
Yeah, it worked well.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but we got some pretty good rumblies coming. I got the boom tin up today. Put the boom tin up and it has dropped the inside of the boat temperature 15 degrees. I think yesterday or day before it was like 97 degrees inside the boat, and Heidi's doing videos and stuff. So Heidi brought up a good point that we haven't talked a lot about some of the things you encounter on just regular passaging, cruising the ICW, which is what we're doing now. We missed our window to get to Grenada this year, so we're just heading north on the ICW. And so we've been talking that pretty much as soon as you get out of Florida, the amount of boaters just drops like 80%, maybe even 90%. It is totally different in Georgia, which is extremely beautiful, and South Carolina. We have small boats here that go by, and they hardly wake us at all. And if there is a bigger boat, usually they will slow down and don't rock the boat so bad. So we're enjoying our time very much in Georgia and very much in South Carolina. There is not as many populated areas in Georgia. In fact, we went for a couple of days and we were just all by ourselves at our anchorages. And now that we're in South Carolina, it's pretty much the same. We haven't seen anybody else anchoring near us at all. We're kind of pretty much by ourselves. That's your little tidbit of knowledge for today. It's raining and thundering and lightning, and it was blowing 20 to 25 knots, but that seems to have calmed down a little bit. Good morning, everyone. We are leaving St. Helena Sound.
Here they have station, United States Coast Guard Charleston, South Carolina. United States Coast Guard Charleston, South Carolina. United States Coast Guard Charleston.
Charleston Inlet is super busy. We had
a container ship that was coming out when we were coming in. And behind us, a tanker ship.
ICW Bell. He passed us. She was there. We just stayed to the far right side of the channel, and he just went on by us.
And not only that, there are little fishing boats and little sailing yachts all over.
Yeah.
So it's busy.
Yeah, this is a busy place. Busy place. So we're trying to figure out our route planning right now. So we're doing now. Yeah, it looks abandoned. Heidi says this is a house that they take you to and they want to chop you up and dispose of you. I'm not quite sure, but we may have just been struck by lightning, or it hit like 10 feet away from the boat. It lit the boat up and scared the crap out of both of us. It was like, pow wow! So, yeah, lightning striking all over the place. Woo! Not good to be all by yourself, the only ones out here, and have a 50-foot mast sticking straight up in the air. Good morning, everyone. This is our Awinda anchorage, halfway between Georgetown and Charleston. Yesterday, we thought we got struck by lightning. It lit the entire boat up. and it was loud. It was just the lightning strike and bam, all at the same time. So I don't know where it hit, but it hit right here somewhere. We checked all our instruments and everything was okay, so it doesn't look like we actually got hit. Very open anchorage, but calm. There were no waves. We didn't move. We just drifted back and forth with the current as the tides changed. Open ocean is right back there. We can't get out because it's so shallow, but a lot of the fishing boats are heading out that way. And we will be leaving today with the high tide and headed to Georgetown. We have left our anchorage at Awenda Creek. Anchor didn't want to come up. I tugged and tugged and tugged. Finally had to secure the chain and have Heidi run forward on it a little bit to break it loose. And it finally got it up. Had a few sprinkles a minute ago. So I'm hoping we don't get rained on, but we might. Say hello, Heidi.
Hello, Heidi.
It's a pretty area. You can hear all the bugs. She did perfect. Drifted right in here. Good job, Heidi. We are in Georgetown at the Harbor Walk Marina. So tonight we're just going to square the boat away, and I want to get out and explore Georgetown. I hear it's a really cool town. It's got a lot of history. So I'm looking for some places to go explore. I love the old stuff. See you guys. This is the Kaminsky House. This has been here since the 1700s. Changed a little bit. Georgetown's got a ton of history.
George Washington stopped at a party next door.
Yeah, there's homes here that were built in 1730, 1740. Yeah, the history here is crazy. It'd be nice if we could do that. Just spin around in one place. Goodbye, Georgetown. Enjoyed it very much. Looking forward to coming back. Yes, sir. Enjoyed Georgetown very much. We are headed out to Whack-A-Mole Anchorage. Heidi gave me a little thing to hold onto the phone so I could hold the phone and maybe cup the wind so the wind doesn't get quite so bad. We'll see how this works. Can you guys hear me? How about now? Can you hear me now?
Mine.
What are you doing?
Doing both things.
Got some shrimp here yesterday. Got the jumbos. They were $11.99 a pound. Independent seafood. Be right back.